So I have created the one pivot table and we make the one report. Just like we report the name by total unit. And we have go to, oh sorry, unit. Total unit. So we have got the total unit.
Okay.
And now I want to apply the some filter. I want to apply the some filter, just like region and category. So region and category put in the filter section. Okay. Now I want to filter the Pune. When you filter the Pune, we got the record only for the Pune city, right?
Yes.
But I want to
Yes.
also filter by category. So when you select the category, just like I select the camera and
Camera,
okay,
video.
no any
Okay.
data in the camera. Okay.
Correct.
Now cell phone. So cell phone have some data. Computers,
Okay.
computer also not have any data, and TV and homes have a one data. So first problem
Okay.
is that when you apply the primary filter, when you apply the primary filter, then we apply the secondary filters. In the secondary filters, some items have available data, some items have not available data. So how can I identify which item have a data and which item have a no data? Okay, so first problem,
Okay.
we have no any options for identify this item have no data and this item have a data, right? Understand the problem?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now we discuss only
Okay.
problem. I give the solution after the discussing problem. Okay, so we have discussed the
Okay.
first problem. When you apply the multiple filters in the filters actions and we have select the primary filter and then select the secondary filter, so which secondary filter have a data, we have which secondary filter have a no data, so we have no idea and no any feature for find it, right?
Okay.
Second problem. Second problem, I have applied the more than one pivot with same data. But why? For the visualization. So I want to show the data, total number of unit and total number of total amounts. So we have put the amount in the value sections. Now we got the data. The total units is the that and total amount is that. But I want to show this report in the charts, in the graphs. So go to the insert. I have select the column chart.
1 second, only 1 second, 1 second.
Okay.
You put sum of amount, and sum of
I
effect.
have put the amount in the value section also. So now we got get the result. Get name. Get puja. Total number of units is 282, and amount is the 10190. Okay.
Okay, you put okay, okay, okay.
I have put
You
the
put the sum.
amount
You put the sum
simple.
of
This
amount.
this
Okay.
is simple. We have put the amount in
From where
the.
you, but amount from where you created. From where you create the amount.
Okay. Go
How
forward.
you create the amount?
In the data
How you
have a
create?
in the data have a
No,
amount.
but yeah, but it is from where? From MRP
Yeah,
you put it sum of
we
MRP.
have just multiply unit and MRP.
Okay,
Studies.
you make it okay, you make the system. Okay, 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 okay. Thanks. No, good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What else?
Okay, Mr. Jet, go
Yes, yes,
forward.
I did the same also for mine. Okay, okay. Go ahead.
Okay. So we have the report. Total. Mr. Jet, please understand. Then we have apply. Okay. Between the class you have applied the features on your system, then class will be interrupted. So please understand the problem, then you have applied. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So second problem is we have create the more than two pivots in the same data, but why? So I have created the one pivot here. In the one pivot, here is the total
Yes,
units and total
some of the
amounts.
units.
So now I
Some
want,
example.
I want to present this data through charts. So when you have
Okay.
present the data through the charts, you can see here your total units is not visible because amount is the very large. So compare the
Correct.
amount, your unit is the very small. So this is the not visual. So we have need to one another chart, separate chart. First chart is the amount total units and second chart is the total amount. Okay.
Okay.
But in the pivot table, one pivot table, you have created the one data. You have not created the separate charts with pivot table. So now we want to create the another pivot table with same data. So now we have removed the sum total amounts from the value sections, and now only for total sum of unit here. Okay, so name and sum of unit here. Now we have go to the data and in the insert pivot table, but I don't want to create the pivot table in new worksheet. I want to create pivot table in the sheet 1. So we have clicked the existing worksheet and select here, click this arrow and go to the data sheet, and you have select the any location which location you present the second pivot table for the name and amount. So press the OK. Now second pivot table we have create here. So you have create the multiple pivot table in the same sheet from the same data. So we have put here name and units, no, not unit, amount in the value section. So I have two data. First data is the name and total units, and second report is the name and total amount. Okay.
Okay.
Now we discuss the second problem. Second problem is that when you have select the filter in the pivot 1, we have got the filter your reports, but second pivot is not affected. So filter apply only for one pivot. Which pivot we have applied the filter in the filter sections, right sir?
Yeah, right.
But problem is that I want to make the dashboard and I want to click the one filter, and all the data, all reports will be filters. So that time we have the two problem. You understand? We have the two problem. First problem, when you have select the our primary filter, secondary filter, some secondary filter not have a data. So how can identify which item have no data? Second problem, we have created the multiple pivots with same data, but when you apply the filter work only for the one pivot, not the second and third pivot.
Right.
So now we have two problem, and solution is the slicer. So click the pivot, go to the analyze, and here is the insert slicer. You can see here insert slicers in the filter section. Click the slicer and choose your field, which your field you want to apply the filter. So I want to apply region and product. You can also select the month or anyone, but I just want to select the two, region and product. Then okay. So we have got the slicer like that, and I can also move this and also resize this and format. You could click the slicer. We have the multiple formats and design here, so you can change here.
Yeah.
Now I click the Pune, so our report, our filter is
Only
the
showing,
our report filtered by Pune, but and now you can see here कि cell phones and TV will be highlighted and camera and computer is not highlighted. So we have identified कि in the pivot 1 in the Pune only for cell phone and TV and home data available. Camera and computer data is not available. Okay. I select the Noida. In the Noida, only for cell phone and TV available. Camera and computer is not available. Kanpur. In the Kanpur, we have the cell phone, computer, and TV. Camera is not available. Right, sir? And also
Yes.
data will be filtered here. So now we have solved the one problem. When you have select the primary filter, in the secondary filter which item is item data not available, we have identified through the highlights, right?
Right.
Secondary, but we have not solved the second problem. When you select the Pune, only for one filter will be applied. Second pivot not affected because need to connect your second pivot to your slicer. How can? Click the pivot table, go to the pivot table analyze, and in the filter section where you have insert the slicer filter section, we have the filter connection. Click on the filter connection. Click here your slicer. We have two slicer, region and product category. So here region product category. Just tick mark is checkbox and press the OK. Now both of pivot connected to both of your slicer. So when you have clicked the Pune, you can see here your both of pivot will be filtered. Okay,
Agree.
Mr. Jed, in problem?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now I want to insert the chart, but I don't want to insert the chart in the sheet 1. I have created the one sheet and we have renamed here summary. So I want to my pivot in sheet 1 but chart in sheet summary, and also my slicer in the sheet summary. So first we have clicked the pivot and go to the insert and we have applied the one chart. And you can also show this button. You can also right click here and hide all buttons on chart. So all button will be highlighted and cut the chart. Yeah, right click and cut the chart and go to the summary sheet. We have paste the chart. Control C and Control X and Control V. You can also change the chart design from the design section. You can select the design according to your requirement. Now we have also connect the second chart. Go to the insert and create the again chart and right click, hide the button. Hide the button is not a necessary, but you want to hide, you can hide. If you don't want to hide, you have to keep it. Now also again we have cut the chart. Press the Control X, cut the chart and go to the summary, select the location where you want to chart and just paste and Control V also. Now go to the design and select your design. So we have put the chart in the summary sheet from the sheet 1 pivot. Okay. Now I want to also move this slicer to summary. So press the Control button and select the both of chart. So if you only put one time select one slicer will be selected, but you have pressed the Control and click on the second slicer, so both of slicer will be selected. Also we have cut this slicer and go to the summary sheet and now we have paste here. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Or now I have just select the Pune. My chart will be made by Pune cities. How can? So when you have this this slicer connect with my pivot. This slicer connect with my pivot, and my chart also connect with pivot. So when you have select the Pune, slicer will be filtered my chart. Sorry, filter my pivots. And when you filter in the
Everything
Pune,
will be linked to the summary as well to the sheet that you make it. Everything is linked. Whatever you change in the summary, it will appear in the Excel that you did it
yeah,
because
right.
you make insert slice.
Yeah. Just
Okay.
understand carefully. So I have the one data. I have make the two pivot in the sheet one through the data, and now
Okay.
I have applied the two charts and two slicer from the both of pivot, and I have
Okay.
moved the my charts and slicer to another sheet, because this summary sheet I don't want to show report as a pivot. Okay, I want to show as a
Okay.
charts. So that time you have
Okay.
moved. But do you want to show the chart and pivot the same sheet? Don't need to move the chart in another sheets. We have also show these sheets. But sometimes we have required. Sometimes don't require. If you have required, then you have moved. You have don't required, you have not moved. Okay?
Okay.
So I have sent this file to you. You have just try. This is some critical
Yeah,
part.
yeah, no problem. Send the
Yeah.
Excel file to me. I will
Yeah.
try it sure 100%.
Yeah, you have tried, and after
Yeah.
that we tomorrow we discuss the formula. So pivot table topic is over, and tomorrow we
Okay.
start the formulas.
Okay. Okay.